Today we, including wife and baby, are at Riveter Bike Park just outside of Asheville, and main goal for today is not to crash, so let's have some fun.
Yeah, but we still gotta finish green as well.
Okay, well, I'm a green kind of guy, so I'll come back in 5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll be done soon.
Okay.
I'll just watch you. No pressure.
All right. Wish I was better at the berms. No, no. Big air. Woo! Surely I got at least an inch of air. I got gears.
I don't.
I'm not interested in jumping anymore. It's too scary.
Wait, can I go in front of you?
Yeah, please do.
Just let me.
That blue is fun.
Yeah, but it's just green is better.